Welcome to Bite-Sized Manners. Meet Kyle, a 9-year-old boy who loves computers and is learning the importance of good manners.
Hey guys, want to learn about coding?
Sure, what's coding?
It's like, telling a computer what to do.
Remember to use your manners when explaining, Cody.
Hello friends, I'm Pixel. Let me help Cody explain coding.
Oh, thank you, Pixel. Could you please show us an example?
Of course, coding is like giving me a recipe. If you tell me the right steps, I can make anything happen.
Wow, that's cool. Can we try?
Sure, please type in this simple code. Print, hello world.
As Cody's friends tried coding, they all were super pleased with the outcomes they were able to create. They made sure to politely give each other time to figure it out.
Excellent job, everyone! You're learning coding and using great manners.
Thanks, teacher, and thank you, friends, for learning with me.
Cody realized that good manners made learning and sharing even more fun. Just like in coding, where every command matters, in life, every kind word counts. Remember, friends, learning to code and being kind go hand in hand. Join us next time for more adventures in coding and courtesy.